Hey guys, VitoSoul here, and I'm a little late on this video. It's been, I think it's been almost a year. I don't know. Probably not, but I got this card, the RTX 2080 Ti. I've always wanted a Founders card because these cards look so good. And, well, I finally got one. And it's not in the box because... yeah, this video happened a while ago, and I never made an intro, a proper intro at least, to introduce the card. But originally I put it in here for testing, which you'll see later on in the video. But I put the card in here, test it out. I had to do some work on it because it wasn't good when I got it, which you'll see in the video. But to see a close-up of the card right now, I will show you. I'm going to turn it on with this computer right here. See, it looks really cool. This is where this is where the card is living now. Originally I had a 3060, but I really liked the look of this card, and honestly, this is better than a 3060. And I couldn't fit a 3070 in here because EVGA's card's really big, so even their slim version wouldn't fit in this case. So I put a 2080 Ti in here, and honestly, it performs really good. I fixed it up, cleaned it up. It's way better. And come on, they don't make them like they used to. Like, I like the look of this card way. This is probably one of my favorite Founders card ever. I've never owned a Founders card in my life. This is the first time I ever got a Founders card, and honestly, 20 series is the best looking one. I know Maxwell had a good look, and also Kepler ones looked good. And the 1080 Ti's ones looked good too. But honestly, this is my favorite one. The shiny, look at that shiny look. The construction, the detail, it looks so much better. But after 20 series, the 30 series and 40 series, they just look the same, and they don't even look that good. They just look weird. It looks like an Apple product. That's why I don't like those newer cards. I don't even buy Founders Editions for those. So this is my first Founders Edition, and I like it. I got it working, and everything's good. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, please subscribe because there'll be more content coming along the way. Okay, so I'm playing this game with the RTX 3090 to show you that the game right now, that is running perfectly fine. But yeah, it's running well. The GPU's not at full, okay, as you can see, everything's running good. Oh, I was paying attention to the percentage. What the hell? But yeah, this part is running good. Oh, stunned. But as you can see, everything's running good. And what, they spawn behind me or something? Oh, wrong. Yeah, it still worked, sort of. Oh, this is the worst match ever. I'm done. I'm done. And now here's my GPU. I'm going to replace it temporarily just so I can test this one out. I'm going to take this 3090 out and put this RTX 2080 Super in there because I want to test to see if the performance is good. And yeah, it's a little dusty, so I may have to like clean it a bit. And I'm probably gonna have to replace the thermal paste because this came out I think this is 2018. This came out either 2018 or 2019. It's probably 2018. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in here now. Now the GPU is installed, and well, this one doesn't really need the GPU support bracket because this is a light card. So let's turn it on. Yeah, my GPU does that. My power supply does that sometimes. But now everything's on. And only requires 2 power cables, so this is just sitting here. Anyways, now it's in the computer for testing. I now have the RTX 2080 Ti inside the computer, and as you can see, yeah, that's I don't know why with 20 series NVIDIA could have had a controller inside. You could have used like an NVIDIA RTX software to like control the lighting. but unfortunately, yeah, it's stuck as green. I don't know why Nvidia made a choice like that. I don't know if I can really say anything because I'm pretty sure Team Red did the same thing with their RX cards. But yeah, but it looks cool. But man, it really messes up the theme I'm going for. So it's not the best thing to have, but it's a good looking card. It's just that one pet peeve. Now we're going to test Call of Duty. So I'm gonna set up Call of Duty right now. What the fuck? No, the game's lagging. This is not this is not the... What? What's this? You must select a load. Oh shit. Jeez, I'm an idiot. There we go. If I hear anything, I'll let you know. Oh shit. Okay, I was just taking off my ear. Like, you can't even rest for 1 second. Oh my god, I can't. I should just choose a better loadout since I'm not even trying to play. Hold on. I have a better one. Let's do... Okay. Okay, there we go. That's better. Literally just picked one of my good ones. Just picked a slut clip. Oh my god, he came out of nowhere. That guy really plays like a pussy. Oh my god, no! Can't load up. But as you can see, it's running good. Not running as bad as I thought. It's not running so bad. Oh wait, we got issues. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna cap this on camera right now. We have an issue. I'm not even gonna bother playing right now. Hold on. Look at this. It's ramping up. And it's ramping down. And this is when I'm playing Call of Duty right now. See? I was just playing. It's ramping up. And it's ramping down. Like, that is not good. There's no reason for it to ramp up and ramp down. Like, that's really bad. See, look, it's doing it again for no reason. My god, fucking where's my team? Oh, we still won. Neat. Oh, that's so fucked, man. Let me go back here and show. No, I don't need to do that. You already know. That was a better game. We're gonna stop recording. Now I'm gonna attempt to do a teardown of the graphics card because as you see earlier, it was ramping up and down. It is a little dirty, if you can see. You can see the dirt a little bit. I'm gonna try and clean it up, but it's also like it's in pretty it looks in pretty good condition. It's in pretty good condition, but fans wrapping up and down. I'm guessing the GPU it's just ramped up and down because the thermal paste is probably dry. So I'm probably going to take the thermal paste out. Yeah, it's good. And it was successful. The 2080 Ti is cleaner. I mean, okay, the fans are a little dirty. I didn't clean that, but now it should be able to run the games properly. So I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm gonna switch cameras actually. I think I can go to... I'm gonna put this camera. Okay, not camera. I'm gonna put this GPU back in there to test it out with Call of Duty and see if it ramps up and down. If it continues to do that, then I'm guessing it's a... I'm guessing it's just called, not Call of Duty. Then I'm guessing, I don't know, I don't even know at this point. I'm probably gonna have to use the thing to use MSI Afterburner to clock down the fans or turn them down because it can't be doing that. So I put, you saw me, I put a generous amount of thermal paste on this graphics card. So there's no way for it to like be really bad. It's got more than enough thermal paste, not too much, but enough to like be really cooled. And this is thermal grizzly, so this stuff will last for a long time, longer than the stuff that Nvidia put on here. So yeah, this should be good. So I'm gonna stop recording and I'm gonna put this inside of this computer. Already GPU temps look way better. I mean, we're not playing the game yet, but as you can see, oh wait, hold on, I didn't even switch. You know, I don't know what it was before, but I think it was way higher before, but now the temps are like 48 degrees. So it's way better. So let's do, shaders are done. So let's, I never really use this gun, so. Wow, these guys suck. Hold on, but as you can see, the temps are way better. Okay, that was weird. Hold on. The GPU is not ramping up yet. It usually doesn't take that long for it to ramp up. So I think I might have fixed it, but... So you... I wasn't even using weapons I normally use. These guys suck. Legit. Wait, what? Who cares? My one should have been better, but that's okay. And the card didn't ramp up once, by the ways. I'll play one more game to prove it, because I didn't record. Yeah, this game does make your card go hot, because this game is somewhat demanding. It's a AAA title. But you can play this on a console, but still, it is somewhat demanding. I forgot to record because we'll do one more. Just to prove it, I'll stop in the middle of the game because I didn't hear it ramp up, so I didn't pull my phone out. But I'll pull my phone out in a second to show you. What the fuck is that? Bitch, get out of here. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna show you quickly. Yeah, the fans are spinning up. The fans are spinning up. GPU is hot, of course. This GPU is getting hot, but it's not ramping up and down. Like, really badly. So this is the appropriate fan speed and everything for this graphics card. But I'm gonna stop recording so I can get back in the game. Okay, let's do this. Forgot to turn on MSI Afterburner in the last video, but you were able to see up there when it was gone. Like, look, if I turn it off, you can see it up there. And if I turn it on, you can see right there. It shows the same GPU thing. MSI Afterburner really doesn't use that much performance if you're using something modern, so it should be fine. But yeah, I'm gonna do one with MSI Afterburner, and then we'll see if we get the same results as last time. I think I said 75 to 80 because that's normally. Let's just do let's do this, and there we go. This is with the 2080 Ti. This is more precise. There we go. Look at that fucking shotgun loser. This game sucks. I don't play this game for fun. I play it for benchmarks. Like, I used to play it for fun, but now it's just a benchmark game. Like, look how bad it is. People are just crawling, camping. Fuck, see. Gamer sense. This map, see how bad it is? This is a sniper stream. See, look at the guy on the side. Just spawns there. It's a bad map. Look, watch. Yeah, still got him. What the hell is that? Yeah, still got a lot of tags. There's like 10 guys there. Nearly. Was he camping? No, he just got lucky. Literal pussy. Literal pussy. This is why I don't fucking play this game. But as you can see, the GPU is running good, by the ways. The temperature is good. They look 79 degrees. The temperature was good overall. And I'd say there was nothing wrong with it. So after I fixed it, it's running better now. It's not running over. It's not overheating like it was before. At 80 degrees, I don't know where that came from, but that's better than what it was before. Anyways, we're done. Thank you guys for watching this RTX 2080 Ti teardown. And if you want to see more teardowns, if I'm even gonna do more teardowns, I don't know which order this is going to be, if I'm going to do this teardown first or the 30... I'm probably going to do the 3090 teardown first and then release this after. Because I did tear down the graphics card once, but I didn't record it. But I'm going to tear it down again because I have to replace the pads anyways of my 3090. So I'm probably going to put that video first because I have a video of me tearing it down, but not tearing it down, but showing the insides. Because I didn't have my camera set up properly. But anyways, I'm going to tear that down, make a video of it, and then to put this one next. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon in the next video. I don't even know if this is going to be the outro, so I'm still guessing.